Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll learn about the list in Dart, how to create a list, how to add elements, and how to display the elements. So first, we will create the void main function, void main, open and close curly brackets. So first, we create an empty list of integers. For that, list is the keyword, then we'll give the data type, that is the int, then after name of the list, numbers is equal to square brackets semicolon. So here we create the integer list. So basically integer list only store the integer numbers. So now we'll add the elements into the list. So for that, type numbers dot add method 10 semicolon, then numbers dot add 20 semicolon, then again numbers dot add 50 semicolon. Again we will add one more element, numbers dot add 70 semicolon. So here we create a empty list of the integers, and then after we have add these elements into the list. So there are the total 4 elements we are adding into the list. So each add calls one element into the list. Okay, so now we will display the entire list. So for that, print print in double quotation list of numbers dollar sign numbers semicolon. So this line prints the elements of the list at the same time, and now we will see how to print elements one by one. So for that we need to use the for loop. So we'll use the for loop for into bracket int index in numbers open and close curly brackets and just print I semicolon. So these loops go through each item in the list and prints it. So now we will run the program. So for that first we need to save the program, Control S, then go to the terminal, open new terminal, and then type here dart space your program name, my list dot dart. press enter button. So here we print the entire number at the same time, then after we print the elements one by one with the help of the for loop. So here we created the integer list. If you want to store different data types into the list, simply don't give the list type over here, so you can able to insert the different data types in one list.